Today, I'm going to show y'all why not to use Liqui Moly Pro Line engine flush. I mean, it's not safe, right? Take a look at the before and after, or at least people say that it's not safe. So today, we're actually going to find out the truth once and for all. As you can see, we've heated the oil and we've torched it literally. So we're going to create the worst possible scenario of buildup being cleaned and flushed with inside your engine. Now, let's place everything back together and make sure we run the engine very hard. Then we'll pull the cover back off, check the compression, we'll check the temperature while the engine is running and see just how this impacts the actual engine. And today's modern cars are even more important. I mean, check out the extended drain intervals. Some go as long as 1 year or 25,000 miles. Well, with variable valve timing solenoids and screen filters within the engine system, yes, this can be very detrimental, and there will definitely be some buildup. Well, where will the buildup go as it just keeps on adding up? Exactly, nowhere for it to go, right? Well, what if we keep it clean from the start? Preventative maintenance, that's correct. But hey, what if it's got bad? What if you have a used vehicle? This is what we're really here to find out, if it's already bad. I asked what you wanted to see next, and that's Liqui Moly Pro Line engine flush was requested the most. So if you would like to see something in one of our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and comment below letting us know what you want to see next, and it will be in one of our upcoming videos. Regardless of how good or bad Liqui Moly is, if it causes damage to your engine, it's definitely not worth it. Well, we're going to check out this compression and see just how well this is going to affect the compression. 91 psi's. I'm excited to see if this has gotten worse or better since we've run this engine at very high operating temperatures. Whoa, Liqui Moly has its work cut out for it. I'm starting to wonder if this is a bad idea, or how much damage we're going to do. Now, we raised it about 15%, 2.4 ounces for this small engine. Now the instructions state, replace about 10% of your motor oil with Liqui Moly motor flush. For a 5-quart oil system, you would have just taken out 16.9 ounces. My personal experience, I've used engine flushes my entire life and never have I had a problem. But that's why I ask for you to share what your experience has been, because we just want to know the truth here at the NIA community. Liqui Moly says to allow the engine to idle for 10 minutes. However, we're going to place this engine under a heavy load, as you can see, and I don't suggest you try this at home because we're just going to make this situation much worse. But I really need to know if this is going to damage this engine. It's very important. In most situations, just changing your engine oil more regularly actually would have made a big difference, but this was extreme circumstances, so I can't really expect to see too much on that one. Well, finally, what I've been waiting for, Liqui Moly engine flush, the most requested one yet. Now, I'm really excited to see if this will actually work. The maximum temperature, 229 before using Liqui Moly, now 168 after using Liqui Moly. Let's take out the spark plug and check the compression. Once we've did this, we'll move on to see just how well this stuff cleaned the inside of the engine. Hopefully no damage. We started off with 91 psi and looks like we have 91 psi once again. Guys, share your experience and knowledge down in the comments section with the NIA community, letting us all know what your experience has been with engine flushes. For more information on this product, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.